Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Azure Monitor alerts for virtual machines, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Azure portal and sign in with your credentials. Navigate to the Azure Monitor service from the left-hand menu. In the Azure Monitor dashboard, select the Alerts option from the menu. Click on the plus Create button to start setting up a new alert rule. Choose Alert Rule from the drop-down menu. Select the appropriate subscription where your virtual machines reside. Next, choose the resource group that contains the virtual machine you want to monitor. In the Resource section, click on Select Resource to find your virtual machine. Use the search bar to locate your specific virtual machine and select it. Now, click on Configure Signal to specify the conditions for the alert. Under Signal Type, choose the relevant metric for your VM, such as CPU usage or disk space. Define the condition for the chosen metric, such as greater than a specified threshold. Set the threshold value that will trigger the alert. Next, specify the evaluation granularity, which determines how frequently the metric is checked. Scroll down to the Action Groups section. Here, either select an existing action group or create a new one. To create a new action group, click on Create Action Group. Fill in the necessary information such as the action group name and short name. Select the action type, such as email or SMS, to determine how you want to be notified. Add the required contact details for the notification method you chose. Once everything is filled in, click on Create. Return to your alert rule and select the action group you just created. Next, provide a name for your alert rule. Optionally, add a description to provide more context about the rule. Choose the severity level that aligns with your monitoring strategy. Review all the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Finally, click on the Create Alert Rule button to finalize the setup. After a few moments, your alert rule will be created in Azure Monitor. You can now monitor performance metrics and receive alerts based on your specified conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.